IPMAT Indore 2021 question. What is the minimum number of weights which enable us to weight any integer number of grams of gold from 1 to 100 on a standard balance with the two pans? So let's pick up the standard pan here. On this one, we will put the weights. Here we put the gold. We should use only on the left pan. So here let's say that 1 gram of gold is required. So obviously I need a 1 kg weight, a 1 gram weight. And next I want 2 grams gold. So we don't have a 2 grams weight. So I'll pick up 2 grams gold or 2 grams weight. Next I want 3 grams. I have 1 gram weight and 2 grams weight. So 1 plus 2, 3 I can weight. So 3 is no problem. Next I want 4. So 4 we don't have. So I'll pick up 4. Next I want 5 grams weight. 5 grams weight is I can measure with 1 plus 4. Next I want 6. 6 I can measure with 4 plus 2. 7 also I can measure. Next I need 8. If you look at these numbers 1, 2, 4, 8. Next number is 2 power 0, 2 power 1, 2 square, 2 cube. Next number is 16. Next number is 32. Next number is 64, so on. It goes on. But I want to measure maximum of 100. Where I am getting the sum as 100, I can stop there. If I take till here, 3 plus 4, 7, 7 plus 8, 15, 15 plus 16, 31, 31 plus 32, 63. Till 63 I can go. Till 100 I can't go. I need the usage of this. So that means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So how many weights are required? Means 7 is required.